So let's quickly compare the specs of the Ulefone WP30 Ultra with the Oukitel WP30 Pro. I won't bother to talk much in this video. Let's just compare the specs of both devices to point out the differences and similarities between the two 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there you go guys, which of the two devices do you think pack the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.